Hello folks, welcome to campkins.com. This is our 2019 massive blowout sale. So if the trailer is a 2019, you're going to get yourself a great deal. They're on for wholesale pricing. Now we're going to focus on the 2019 Surveyor 323 BHLE. Great bunkhouse for the family. You can see on the exterior you got your power tongue jack, you got your dual propane tanks, your dog tie. You've got a nice awning that spans the whole length of the trailer with storage doors on the front. You've got this front slide out, and then here in the back of the trailer you've got this outdoor kitchen with your large fridge. It's got a steel top sink that is drained, as well as your drawer, and a great place to store some food and have a great time with the family. So let's head inside and have a look. This is a great bunkhouse. It's got lots of sleeping for everybody here. Go into the entrance and you've got this nice closet where you can put your coats, and all of your outdoor gear can go right in there. And then take a look at this kitchen, folks. You've got tons of countertop space in that slide out. You got 3 large drawers. You've got your cooktop with the drawer underneath. Nice large fridge there for the whole family. Great pantry storage here. You've got the island with drawers in both sides, plugs in it as well, so you can use all of your appliances. You can see how deep that storage is, and of course the shelves are adjustable in there as well. You've got a rounded ceiling in this trailer, so it feels very, very large and spacious. Over here in the living area, you've got your tri-fold sofa, which is available over here, and then you've got your dinette seat here, both which will go into a bed, which is great. Take a look at this back bunk room. Great place for the kids. You've got a spot for their TV so they can watch their shows. Tons of storage drawers for all of their clothes. Ladder to the bunk, and then you've got this dinette, which is currently in a bed form, and then bunks that flip down as well. So great space for the kids to hang out, and there is a pocket door, so at night you can shut it and it'll be quieter for the kids. Now let's take a look at the front of the trailer. We'll start with the bedroom. The bedroom has a 60 by 80 full-length queen. So this is a great trailer if you're a bit taller, because it's got tall ceilings and a full-length bed. You can see here it's got storage all the way around with drawers and everything on it, and opening windows on both sides. It's got an ensuite entrance into the bedroom, as well as a glass shower. We'll just take a look at the washroom there. Glass shower in there with your toilet and your vanity. So all the amenities easily accessed either from the front bedroom and then also from the rest of the trailer. So folks, this is a great opportunity to get a nice, lightweight, towable, triple slide bunk model available now at Campkins. It's a 2019, so the price is really crazy on this thing. We've only got one available, so why don't you come on out and check it out. This is the 2019 Surveyor Legend 323 BHLE, available now. We say it's worth the hurdle to myrtle, so come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.